I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I gotta get.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevelle 254. You turn in for another one. As you can see, we got a Chevelle running. Finna get ready to pull her out. Oh shit! Almost tripped over that damn jack. Finna get ready to pull her out, man. We gonna start fishing. We're gonna start fishing around and seeing if there are any potential buyers that want a Chevelle. Nothing is for certain. Nothing is for certain. But to start fishing and knowing what we made, to put the bait out and see how big a fish we can catch. That's the goal. So let's get into it. The purpose of this video, man, is to really just pull it out, man, get some quality pictures, man. I just happen to be a photographer. Get some good photos of it, man. Walk all the way around it, pictures all the way around it, so they can see the damage, see what they potentially could be getting into. Like I said, this ain't nothing. This ain't no for show thing. Feel good to have them moving though. Pull it out a little bit. Might change our mind. Nah, I'm bullshitting. Like I said, we just fishing, man. We just fishing. It might just go as a roller, man, cause honestly, I'll probably take that motor out of there, cause I might need it for what's coming. But we'll see. Only time will tell. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the Chevelle put back in the garage. Kind of got it scooted over a little bit. Took it off of the ramps. Now I can move in front of the car and whatnot. Ideally, I think the C10 will go back over here, cause these cars is long as shit. They way too long. So the C10 fit for the most part, you know. So I mean, but as of right now, I mean, it's good. We got a little bit more room over here, and it actually has me thinking. About moving like all my garage tool stuff to that side, and then we could just pull into here, have the two cars over here, and then and put the bike over there, since it's the one that gets you know, pretty much whatever. So if I move the C10 and the Rivian, if I pretty much move everything that was here and I put it over here, then I could move everything. I can move the Caprice over here and then move all of this stuff that is over here, because it technically doesn't need to come all the way to the end of the garage like it does. So that's not a project for today though. that is just thoughts. So basically what I have, I have everything kind of ran every kind of which way anyway. Yeah, so that might be an idea. That really might be an idea. Game changer. Switch it up that way. I don't know, cause then you still kind of want a open thing so you can walk into the house and not having to worry about nobody maybe scratching up the car. I don't know. See, I knew them fucking bags was bigger. Those was like 13. These bags here was 2 18.6 pound bags, where the ones at HEB was 13 pound bags for 2 of them for like $8, and those was like 2 for $9. So 2 for 10. All right, y'all. Well, it's your boy Chevelle 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make use of your strengths. Here is the photos I took of the Chevelle, and if somebody interested and want to come get it, because I'm not shipping shit, I'm not taking shit apart. The only thing that I might take out this bitch is a motor and the trans. I gotta write up a description with all the known issues of the car, man, because I'm not trying to get over on nobody. I want them to know everything that's going on with it straight up. Speakers are not included. All this stuff gonna be taken out, you know what I'm saying? So basically, you're gonna get the car, you're gonna get the floor pan or the trunk pan replacements. You're gonna get both of the quarter panels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I would prefer to just sell it out, because I know probably for the motor and the transmission alone, I want 1,800. I mean, not 1,800. I want 800. I want 800. You know what I'm saying? For the body, you know what I'm saying? We could probably do like another 8 and say 16 or 18. So I probably started like 22. Yeah, I probably listed it like 22. 22, 25, something like that. Cause like I said, I do got them brand new parts, metal parts and stuff like that. So it's your boy Chevelle 254. Enjoy the photos and let's see what we can catch.
So what you saying?
What he's saying is you
Man, what you said, you need to get the fuck out of my business, nigga. Hey, that's what you need to do.
This is for my real niggas, real bitches. Keep these hoes the fuck out they feelings. Real gangsters, real women. Keep these hoes the fuck out your business. Real niggas, real bitches. Keep these hoes the fuck out they feelings. Keep these hoes the fuck out your business. Why are you calling me trippin'? Me, I tell them best wishes. Rocks get the kickin'. Kick them out, no fucks given. Listen, you start the show feeling these hoes get the trippin'. You ain't getting no money unless I'm gifted. Tax, it's just a reaction, you capping it. Acting like you run the castle, like you are the captain. Hoes jump ship, gotta pay the rent. gas money spent. Drink more so rock than average than Diddy and Cassie. I'm still on my bad boy shit. And still in this bitch, ain't getting the cent. Ain't tricking for nothing, ain't paying for shit. Niggas that do that, crazy as shit. And I'm just so southern, lay of the stand.